Okay, if I was going to take screenshots and then try to edit those pictures, sure there's probably a better way, but um, I would simply hit Shift Control 4 and I would see this plus sign here that means I can capture something. So I'm going to maybe capture those three, and it pops up on my screen. I'm going to move it away from my picture. I'm going to do Shift Command 4. I'll do the whole group, and I'm going to move it right over here. Then I'll do a Shift Command 4 and just get these few in a picture. And once I have those three pictures, or any picture, I click and drag to highlight them all. And then I'm going to drag them down to my photos, which is this kind of a circle with multicolor. It's bouncing now, so you see it. So I'm going to import them into my photos. They are imported. It tells me they've successfully imported. They are still on my desktop, so you can delete them from your desktop or whatever. You may click one or all three, click them, and once you click on them, you see the edit tool right over here. And so I'll click edit. I can come over here. I can make this picture bigger if I'm editing by dragging my little bar over a little bit. So I want to enhance it. I'm just changing the color kind of slightly. And then I don't like it. I'm going to revert back to the original, and that's what it looks like. I can rotate it if I've done something kind of cockeyed. Hit the crop button, and you can see here I can come up, if I wanted adults only, I could rotate it in if I needed to, if the picture was kind of crooked or whatever. I could do that, and then I could revert back to the original again, or I could save it. Here you've got options of different kind of enhancements, going, to a black and white, a fade, all kind of different things. And I can revert back to the original. On this, you just lighten, brighten by, I'm going to one spectrum or the other. Here you can see me moving. And again, I can always revert back to the original. I can take color out less if you wanted more muted tones or brighter tones. And again, I can revert to the original. Band-Aid allows you to click over if there was, I'll make it a little bit smaller, and this is not a good picture for this, but if there was a bad blemish or something, I could click on it to remove that blemish. And so depending on what it was, you'd make a bigger or smaller area to cover. And here is just an automatic take the red out. So those are the really quick down and dirty ways. I take a screenshot and I drag and do that. Maybe that's helpful. Alrighty.